Things I Can Do to Help My World by Melanie Walsh. I remember to switch off the light when I leave the room. Turning off lights saves valuable energy, and low energy bulbs use much less electricity. I try to turn off the tap when I brush my teeth. Every time you do this, you save 18 glasses of water. I always put my litter in the bin. Tidying away litter keeps the world safe and clean. I shall feed the birds in winter. Feeding them helps them get ready for nesting in the spring. I use both sides of the paper. If everybody did this, it would greatly reduce the number of trees we use to make paper. I remind my mummy to turn off the TV at the wall. Electrical appliances still use energy when they are on standby. I enjoy making toys from old boxes. We can reuse lots of things before we throw them away. I like to walk to school. Avoiding car journeys saves fuel and means there is less air pollution. It is also good exercise. I can plant seeds and help them grow. Plants help to keep the air clean and healthy. I help to sort the recycling. Over half our rubbish can be recycled. It takes much less energy to recycle something than to make a new one. All because I love my world. Thanks for watching Love to Read with Miss Ellis. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Take care. Bye for now.